I am HVAC Repair Guy. Before spending your hard-earned money on portable air conditioners, you need to understand how these machines actually pull heat out of your home. Today we are looking at the Sunpentown WA-S1032E and the Cooper Hunter CH-PDH14AC2. The single biggest technical difference here is the exhaust design, which changes everything about cooling performance and electricity bills. The Sunpentown uses a single hose setup. The Cooper Hunter uses a dual hose configuration. Single hose units dump indoor air outside to cool the condenser, creating negative air pressure inside your home. That negative pressure pulls hot, humid outdoor air back in through door gaps and window seals, forcing the unit to recool outside air. Dual hose systems take outside air, run it across the coil, and push it back outside, keeping your conditioned room sealed. Both units use traditional single-speed compressors rather than variable speed inverters. A single-speed compressor runs at maximum wattage until the room reaches temperature, then slams off completely. This causes minor room temperature swings compared to continuous inverter operation and draws a higher electrical surge during startup, which puts more wear on internal relays over time. Energy efficiency comes down to the energy efficiency ratio. The Cooper Hunter rates at 8.9 EER, while the Sunpentown achieves 9.9 EER. Higher EER means more cooling output per watt consumed, giving the Sunpentown a slight edge in electrical conversion efficiency at the compressor. However, because the Sunpentown pulls hot outdoor air back into the house through negative pressure, its higher rating is practically canceled out by thermal loss in real-world conditions. Operating sound level affects room comfort, especially when running overnight in a bedroom. Sunpentown rates at 52 decibels, while Cooper Hunter sits at 52 decibels as well. Both portable units use standard cleanable air filters that must be washed regularly. Restricted airflow causes the evaporator coil to freeze and starves the compressor. The Sunpentown offers no wireless connectivity, keeping its control board simple. The Cooper Hunter features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing remote thermostat adjustments, though additional circuit board components add extra electronic failure points. Warranty coverage reveals how much confidence a manufacturer places in its sealed system. Sunpentown provides a standard 1-year general warranty with 1 year on the compressor. Cooper Hunter backs their machine with a 1-year general warranty paired with a 5-year compressor warranty. A longer compressor warranty protects you from the most expensive potential component failure in the unit. At current retail pricing, the Sunpentown WA-S1032E sells for approximately $313. The Cooper Hunter CH-PDH14AC2 sells for roughly $499. The Cooper Hunter CH-PDH14AC2 is the better overall purchase. Its dual hose architecture prevents negative room pressure, giving you true cooling performance that far outweighs its higher purchase price. Combined with a 5-year compressor warranty, it provides much better long-term reliability and ownership value for your home.